Welcome to Crack Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open The Brothers' War. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a Power Stone token. Then we have a foil Autonomous Assembler, which is a card we talked about a few days ago. Then we have our Retro Frame artifact in Springleaf Drum, which for one is an artifact that says tap Springleaf Drum, tap an untapped creature you control, add 1 mana of any color. It's okay. It is giving you colored mana, which is nice, and it is only 1, so it's in a way a mana rock, but it's not. Right? It's giving you a way to tap creatures to give you mana, which is, I mean, it's good. It's turning other creatures into mana dorks for you of any color, even. But, you know, unless you have a good way to repeatedly untap Springleaf Drum, you're only going to get that once a turn, which is, I mean, that's typical for a mana dork. You're probably only going to get it once a turn, but I would much rather, you know, just be tapping the creature and not tapping Springleaf Drum as well. But I'm greedy, and I would want, I mean, obviously I would want that, but that would probably need to be a 2 or 3 costed artifact, and at that price there are other artifacts that just generate the 2 mana on their own. We have Simian Simulacrum, which is an artifact creature, costs 3. It is a 2/1 that says, when Simian Simulacrum enters the battlefield, put 2 +1/+1 counters on target creature you control, and then it also has an unearth of 2 green/green. So this is, I mean, it could be a 4/3 for 3, or it could be a 2/1 that gives other creatures a small bump. And having an unearth so you can do it again is really nice. I mean, that unearth is going to be great for just doing green things, of making other creatures big. So, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say about this one. It's just a nice, relatively low to the ground creature that gives other creatures some pump and can happen again with its unearth costs after it's been dealt with. Next we have Lay Down Arms, Alloy Animist, Giant Cindermaw, Conscripted Infantry, Coastal Bulwark, Veteran's Power Blade, Excavation Explosion, Carrion Locust, Aeronaut's Wings, Goblin Firebomb, Epic Confrontation, and Recommission to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.